is the Rothy's Chelsea boots in bourbon color. Made with premium merino wool upper, soft yet sturdy, which means no break-in period, just like other Rothy shoes. It has stretched plains and camouflage color, which gives a great contrast color with a tan upper. It has a pull tab with their signature blue halo in it, rugged outsoles with lugs on the bottom for great traction, and it has supportive insoles for great comfort. Machine washable, and it originally cost about $259, but I got this on sale for only $109. Those are the basic descriptions that these Chelsea boots have. Let's try them on and see how it feels and look at my feet. The pull tab and stretchy plains make this easy to put on and take it off. It does give a little snugness on my feet, which I prefer. However, it seems that there is a wiggle room by the heel. Super soft upper, like I could see, or hopefully that I won't feel any fatigue wearing this for a couple hours. It's indeed warm down there. This Chelsea boots make your feet toasty, so definitely great during the cold season. Feel light on my feet, easy to walk with, like again, no breaking in required, and it's indeed comfortable. I don't really feel any restriction in any direction. By the way, I got this in size 10, so it's true to size shoes. Other than that, the Chelsea boots are looking good and it does its job to provide warmth. Now we are done with the try on. Let me share with you my final thoughts. I would never have thought in my life that I would be able to see where boots can be machine washable and easy to put on and take off. With that being said, I really love this pair of Chelsea boots from Rothy. Love the look, the comfort, and it's great for cold days. Would I spend $259 on this? Probably not. The $109 deal was definitely a steal. I would still pay $150 if I had to. The only thing that I couldn't test right now is its durability and pretty much how it will hold up after each wash. Other than that, I definitely recommend the shoes for those of you who are looking for Chelsea boots that are stylish, comfortable to wear, and looking for warmth with your feet. Well folks, this is my quick honest review of the Rothy's Chelsea boots. Feel free to click my other Rothy's reviews somewhere in my channel. That's it for me guys. Stay sharp, stay stylish. You have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.